Hello everyone, let's make a green pesto spaghetti with mushroom, some onion, a bit of thyme, and I have the green pesto. Right guys, with this recipe is absolutely quick and easy. All you have to do is boil your spaghetti for about 10 minutes and basically fry everything together. So the spaghetti is boiling. While that's boiling, you want to start prepping your pesto on the side with the mushroom, the onions, and guys, flavoring, add a bit of salt, add a bit of pepper, and if you need to put a bit of seasoning, just to give it a bit of flavor, you can do. If you wanted to add a bit of chilies, you can do, but I'm keeping it very simple. I hope you guys enjoy this quick and easy recipe. Spaghetti green pesto with mushroom, absolutely delicious at any occasion. When you don't have time to spend too long in the kitchen, you want a quick simple recipe that is homemade, delicious, and tastes absolutely fantastic. Guys, subscribe to the channel if you want to get to see more recipes like this where we don't need to spend too long cooking, but the taste is absolutely spectacular, delicious, and easy. Okay guys, enjoy the rest of the video and subscribe to the channel, like, share where you can. This literally takes about 10 to 15 minutes to cook. The spaghetti 10 minutes, the pesto, the green with the mushroom and the onions and a bit of garlic, absolutely 15 minutes maximum. So all in all, this is a half-an-hour meal that would taste absolutely delicious when you want a quick lunch, when you want to have dinner but you just don't have enough time and you've got other stuff to do. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Subscribe to the channel, like the video, share where you can, and let me know if you want to see more recipes like this. I am happy to share with you. Okay, enjoy the rest of the video. As you guys can see, I have mixed the spaghetti with the pesto, and all I'm going to do now is bind them all together. Just combine it, ensure that the spaghetti is combined with the green pesto and everything is merging well together, that they're having a happy marriage together. So everything is combining. It's looking absolutely delicious. This is ready. The pesto has cooked, with the mushrooms and the onion, and this is what it looks like. This is absolutely what it looks like. So like I said guys, I'm ready to serve up. So I really hope you have enjoyed the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, make sure to share and you like, and you drop me a comment if you want to see more videos like this. Drop me a comment so I can share with you guys more. So this is ready to serve. I've turned everything off and I'm about to put the spaghetti in the bowl and eat this tasty, quick, easy, delicious recipes. And so I'm gonna add a bit of salad on the side. So you can eat it like this. Sprinkle some Parmesan cheese on top if you want, or just keep it as it is. But yeah guys, I really do hope you have enjoyed the video. This is an absolutely tasty, delicious, full of flavor, quick and easy to make. I mean, I don't know, a 30-minute meal that tastes this good, looks this good. Add a bit of green on the side, and there you go. Perfect, easy, quick meal that you can have and you can share when you're having guests around. Yes, guys, enjoy the video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.